Pancakes are great. Quick, easy, and delicious. Perfect for busy mornings. Let's make some. You need just a few simple things. Flour, 1 cup, sugar, 2 tablespoons, baking powder, 1 teaspoon, salt, just a pinch, milk, 1 cup, an egg, and melted butter, 2 tablespoons. Grab a big bowl, mix the dry stuff. Flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Make a well in the center, crack in the egg, pour in the milk and melted butter, whisk everything together. Don't overmix. Lumps are okay. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or frying pan over medium heat. Pour a 1/4 cup of batter per pancake. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side. Look for bubbles on top and golden brown edges. Section 4. Flipping fantastic tips for perfect pancakes. Use medium heat for even cooking. Don't press down on the pancakes. They'll be tough. Flip only once for fluffy results. Section 5. A symphony of flavors, optional ingredients. Add chocolate chips, blueberries, or bananas to the batter. Get creative. Section 6. Serving up happiness. Enjoying your pancakes. Serve warm with butter, syrup, fruit, or whipped cream. Leftovers can be stored in the fridge for a day or two. Reheat and enjoy.